To record the screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, you can simply open Quick Settings panel. Then in here we're gonna proceed to this expandable area, and usually by default you should be able to find the screen recorder button in here. So you can tap on it in order to start recording. You can choose the area that you want to record, either the full screen or the partial screen. You can choose the audio that should be included in the recording, so you can choose the phones, media, and also media and the microphone, or you can completely mute the recording. You can also show taps and touches. And once you are ready, we're gonna tap on start recording. We have a countdown, which we can also skip if you don't want to wait. And there we go, now we are recording our screen. Here we can find all our additional options, like for example, we can toggle the front camera. We can start drawing on our screen, there we go. We can of course undo the drawing if you wanted to. And you can pause and stop the recording in this place as well. Besides that, you can tap on the recording icon here right next to the time in order to also have the option to stop recording. And if you open notifications, then we have the screen recorder notification as well, so you can tap on it if you want to stop recording. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.